In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add workspace members in Trello. By the end, you'll confidently invite teammates into your Trello workspace so you can collaborate smoothly across boards. First, let's get to the right place. From your Trello homepage, open the specific workspace where you want to add people. If you're not on the homepage, just click the Trello logo to jump back. Then choose your workspace from the sidebar. If you're part of multiple workspaces, take a second to confirm you're selecting the correct one. This helps you avoid inviting someone to the wrong space. Once you're inside the workspace, look over to the sidebar and click the Members tab. This is your central spot for seeing who's already in the workspace and for managing invitations. If your sidebar looks collapsed, expand it so you can clearly see the Members option. Opening this tab also gives you a quick snapshot of your team, which is handy before you add anyone new. Next, click the Invite Workspace Members button. This starts the invite flow for the entire workspace. It's helpful to remember that inviting someone to a workspace is different from inviting them to a single board. Workspace membership gives them a place in your broader team area, and from there, you can collaborate on boards as needed. Now, enter the person's details. You can type an email address or a Trello username. If you're using an email, make sure it's one they actually check for work. If you're using a Trello username, double-check spelling so the invite reaches the right person. It's a good idea to pause for a moment to verify you've entered everything correctly, especially if you're inviting multiple people, because it prevents confusion and saves time later. When you're ready, click Send Invite. If the person isn't already on Trello, they'll receive an email prompting them to sign up, and once they do, they'll join your workspace. If they are already a Trello user, they'll get a notification and can accept right away. After sending, you may see their status as pending until they accept. Keep in mind, becoming a workspace member doesn't automatically grant access to every private board. Once they've joined, you can invite them to specific boards as your workflow requires. That's it. Quick, clear, and collaborative. If this walkthrough helped you, give the video a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And if you'd like more practical tutorials like this, consider subscribing. Finally, let us know in the comments what you think of the video and if there's anything we can do to improve future walkthroughs. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Trello.